Back to my channel Chal Chakra. Hope you and your family is doing great. Wish you all a very happy Navratri. In this video, I'm going to share you a very powerful mantra that you should chant in this coming 9 days, and this can change your life. This mantra is so powerful that can solve any type of problem you're facing in your life related to the money, prosperity, health issues. Not only this, if you have any type of negative energies, black magic or ill effect of anything on you, or you have bad doshas in your birth chart due to you are struggling in your life, then also if you chant this mantra during this 9 days of Navratri, this has so much of power that can change your life positively. Navratri is a day where you will be able to overcome the past life karmic blockages. So the rituals, remedies, mantra chanting, or if you listen to the strotam during this time, you will be able to remove all type of doshas from your life and remove lot of past life karmic blockages. Navratri is a time where lot of internal as well as external changes is going to take place. Externally, if you will observe, there will be the changes in the weather. From monsoon, it will move to the winter season. And internally, if you talk about, there is lot of changes which is going to happen internally also during this time. The Navratri is a time of the transformation which is going to happen externally as well as internally. So that is the reason it is advisable for you to do the fasting. If possible, try to do fasting for the 9 days. It has lot of benefits if you do the fasting on the 9 days. In any case, if you are not able to do the fasting for the 9 days, then try to eat the sattvic food. Avoid non-veg, no alcohol. Try to avoid garlic and onion also during this time. Try to eat the sattvic food. It has a lot of benefits. It is going to give you a lot of internal benefits to your body too. So in this video, I'm going to discuss in brief about the mantra that you should chant and the rituals that you should do during this 9 days of Navratri. If you have subscribed my channel, thank you so much. If you're new to my channel, so if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then subscribe it so that you're getting the daily notifications from us on the videos that we post. So the most powerful mantra that you should chant during this 9 days of Navratri is Om Aim Hreem Kleem Chamundai Viche. So this is a mantra that you need to chant daily 108 times. The best time to chant this mantra during this 9 days is in the night between 11 p.m. to 1 a.m. If you are regularly for the 9 days, if you're chanting this mantra at the same place, at the same timing, asking the wish, then all your wishes will come true. This mantra has a tremendous benefit. So this is a beach mantra which is connected to the aim. Aim is a beach mantra of Goddess Saraswati. Goddess Saraswati is connected to the communication, that give you a power of the communication, that gives you the wealth, prosperity, and it gives you good communication skills too. So if you chant this mantra on the regular basis, this is going to give you the power that is given from the Goddess Saraswati. That is the power of the communication. Aim Hreem is a beach mantra connected to Goddess Lakshmi. So if you chant Hreem on the regular basis, this is going to help you to attract name, fame, success, and wealth, and overall abundance and the prosperity in your life. And Kleem is a beach mantra connected to Goddess Kali. She is going to help you out to protect you from any type of ill effect or the bad effect of the black magic on you, or any type of ill effect, or you have bad doshas in your birth chart, as well as if you have a karmic pattern in your birth chart due to which you see suddenly up and down in your life, or Saturn, Rahu, Ketu, such planet creates a lot of problem in your life. In that case, this also ill effect, like if you're going through any type of legal case, black magic, evil effect of any planet will be removed from your life. This is such a powerful mantra. If you have ever visited to Vaishno Devi Mandir, then also you will find this mantra there, as this is a combination of the mantra of Goddess Saraswati, Goddess Lakshmi, and Goddess Kali. So in the regular basis, we are chanting this mantra during this 9 days of Navratri. All your wishes will come true. Not only this, you will be able to overcome the ill effect of any planet in your life too. So this is the right way of chanting this mantra. So try to chant this mantra regular basis in this 9 days, and this has a tremendous benefits. You are going to see a lot of positive changes in your life. The second, what you need to do during this time, you have to listen, or you need to recite or listen Durga Sapsati part also during this time. It has given lot of importance. If you are reciting Durga Sapsati part or you are listening to Durga Sapsati part during this 9 days of Navratri, you will be it will be going to help you out to burn your past life karmic blockages. It will be going to help you out to align your 9 planets. Not only this, all your wishes will come true. But make sure whenever you are reciting any mantra or you are chanting any type of strotam or you are listening any type of strotam, try to do at the same timing. And the best timing to do during the Navratri is, because the night of the Navratri are very important, that is from 11 p.m. to 1 a.m. in the morning. Make sure at the same place, at the same timing, you are chanting this mantra or you're listening to this mantra. Focus on it, and if you're listening to this mantra, try to read the meaning of this strotam. That will be going to give you the maximum benefits. Third is the most important, is the Argala strotam. So if you're looking for beauty, if you're looking for name, fame, success, beauty, wisdom, wealth, and overall prosperity in your life, then during this 9 days you have to listen to Argala strotam. Whenever you are listening or you are reciting, try to read the meaning of this strotam, so that it is going to give you the maximum benefit. So this also strotam has a tremendous benefit. This will not only give you wealth, prosperity, or abundance. Along with this give you good aura, beauty, as well as name, fame, success too. So the best timing to do this strotam is also between 11 p.m. to 1 a.m. during this time. So three things, if you're doing during this 9 days of Navratri, you are going to see a lot of positive changes in your life. And these are the very simple things that you can do it easily. Whenever you are chanting this mantra, then try to chant this mantra with a clear quartz mala to get the maximum benefit, as this is connected to goddess Lakshmi. And along with this, you should start wearing the lotus seed mala in the Navratri time, as well as if you're not wearing the clear quartz mala, then start wearing the clear quartz mala, because clear quartz is nearer to goddess Lakshmi, which give you overall abundance and the prosperity in your life. During this time, there is a lot of importance being given to the fasting. If you're unable to fast during this time, in that case you try to eat the sattvic food. Avoid eating non-veg, avoid having onion, avoid having garlic during this time. Daily on the regular basis, during the evening time, during the sunset time, between 6:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. on the regular basis, light up a lamp, a ghee lamp, in the northeast corner of your house or in your home temple. If possible, then try to do the aarti of goddess Durga daily during this 9 days. It has given tremendous benefits, because energies will be very high. Goddess Durga will be there on the earth to bless us. So try to do these small things, and it is going to bring lot of big changes in your life. Share this video with your loved one, and if you find this video helpful, then send me on the comment Jai Mata Di. Jai